In this video, we will learn some important terms which will be useful in our next 2 to 3 classes. And in the previous class, I have already discussed all the important relations between void ratio, porosity, and degree of saturation and all that. So after that, here are some more important terms which we are discussing now. So first one is water content slash moisture content, right? We can denote it by omega. So whenever I'm talking about water content, it is simple, means the amount of water present in a soil mass is a water content, right? Or you can say it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of solid. As you can see, it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of solid. So here become the formula omega is equals to weight of water by weight of solid into 100, right? Here you can see it is the weight of water, weight of air, weight of water and weight of solid. So it is nothing but it is the ratio of weight of water, right? Weight of water to the weight of solid into 100. Whenever we are supposed to find out the water content, so we will use the formula, this formula, right? And the second we have, yes, what is unit weight? First of all, we need to understand the unit weight. I am talking about unit weight, it means that the weight, right? So if I take an example, just think I have made a structure just like a box, right? And the dimensions are 1 meter depth, 1 meter height, and 1 meter width, right? I have taken 111 as a dimension, right? 111, 1 cubic meter. I have made something just like structure 1 meter cube, and I have put a cotton, all the cottons and the heavy amount of cotton I have put in 1 meter cube volume. So in that case, what the weight we will get is known as unit weight, right? Another you can see, and then if excavate the remove all the cottons, right? I will put some water, right? I will put some water in it. If I'll put some water in the tank which I have made 1 meter height, 1 meter uh, L and 1 meter B, right? So 1 meter L B into H, I put some water. If I put water and after putting water, the weight I will get is known as unit weight of water, right? So understanding the unit weight concept, hope you will understand. So unit weight, after that, if I know the unit weight, right? In suppose unit weight can vary from of soil or water or whatever it is, the unit weight will vary, right? So if we understood the unit weight, right? If we understand the unit weight, then we, and I will discuss what is bulk unit weight, what is saturated unit weight, dry unit weight, and submerged unit weight, right? So bulk unit weight, in simple is understand this is the ratio of total weight of soil mass to the total volume of soil, right? What I have told you that it is the ratio of total weight of soil mass, right, to the total volume of soil, right? Here it is. So I am talking about the bulk unit weight. I am repeating once, it is the ratio of total weight of soil mass to the total volume of the soil, right? And the second one is saturated unit weight, right? Saturated unit weight. So I'm talking about saturated unit weight. So it is nothing but the bulk unit weight in saturated condition. I want to say that the weight of solid and the weight of water will be added. It means that the water will be present over there in a soil mass. There will be water plus there will be also a soil mass in it. Divide by total volume, what we get? Gamma saturation, or we can say saturated unit weight, right? After that will come dry unit weight, right? Hope you will understand all these which I will taught you in this video. So here you hope you will understand the unit weight. Once you understand the unit weight, then it will be all be easier to understand all the five types of unit weight, right? So I'm talking about here dry unit weight. So dry unit weight means weight, it is the ratio of the weight of the solid to the total volume of the soil mass, right? It is the weight of the solid to the total volume of soil mass. What is uh, dry unit weight? Understanding unit weight is equals to weight by volume, right? Weight by volume. So what we can get, weight of it is the ratio of weight of solid to the weight to the volume of soil mass, right? Here we can understand the dry unit weight, right? Coming to the submerged unit weight. Understanding submerged unit weight, as you can see, I have written gamma submerged is gamma saturated minus gamma W. As you can see, gamma sat minus gamma W, right? Gamma submerged means, according to Archimedes principle, if the soil mass is put inside the fluid or water, whatever you will understand. Suppose it is a water in it, so gamma saturated, the weight, the unit weight will push towards the downward direction, and the gamma W, and the gamma W means unit weight of water, will push the gamma sat upward. So what we get, gamma sat minus gamma W, we get gamma submerged, right? Or we can denote it as a gamma dash, right? Who and the next one is unit weight of solid. Well, unit weight of solid is nothing, it is the ratio of weight of solid to the volume of solid, right? To the volume of solid. In the previous I have said total volume, right? You have to make here understood. Yes, I have weight by volume, but here in this unit weight of solid you can understand by view. What is unit weight of solid? Weight of solid by volume of solid, right? It is called as unit weight of solid. After that, here I have written gamma S, unit weight of solid greater than unit weight of gamma saturated. It is a condition where what is the maximum unit weight? So gamma S, right? And what is the the lowest unit weight we can get from here is gamma dash. Gamma submerged is the lowest unit weight as compared to these five types, right? And another is specific gravity. So understanding specific gravity, basically it is a true specific gravity, right? So we can denote it as a G or GS, we can denote it, right? So it is defined as the unit weight of solid to the unit weight of water, right? It is unit weight of solid to the unit weight of water, and this will remain constant. This value vary from 2.6 to 2.85, right? In inorganic soil, the specific gravity will vary from 2.6 to 2.85, right? Here we go next, the mass or apparent specific gravity. Whenever I am talking about mass or apparent specific gravity, it is denoted by GM, right? GM, we can denote by GM. It is defined as the ratio of bulk unit weight, right? It's the ratio of bulk unit weight to the unit weight of water, right? In partially saturated condition, and in same it is in dry condition, it is the ratio of bulk, it is the ratio of dry unit weight to the unit weight of water, right? So what is we denoted it by GM. Here it is written G, but you can understand by writing GM, right? Here GM, right? So gamma D by gamma W in dry condition. So here we go, the mass specific gravity and the specific gravity, right? Hope you will understand some of the concepts of geotechnical engineering, what I have told you in this video. So please like and share my video, and if you have any doubt, then comment all your doubts. I will clarify your doubts by responding to you. So thank you.